Welcome to Simply Logical, this is Venkatesh. Can you solve this mathematical expression? Though simple, most of the people gives the wrong answer. In this video, I am going to explain the step-by-step procedure to solve this expression. Feel free to pause the video and give it a try before checking the solution. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, do consider subscribing to the channel. You can evaluate the given numerical expression 2 minus 2 times 2 minus 2 by using the correct order of operations. When we are dealing with multiple operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, exponents, etc., then a special rule for the preference of these operators is followed so that everyone arrives at a unique answer every time. This rule is known as Bodmas rule, which is short for bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Hence, in any equation, brackets has the highest preference and you should first solve the brackets followed by of, which is for exponents, followed by division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Remember, addition and subtraction has equal preferences. In some places, this Bodmas is termed as Pedmas, which is short for parenthesis, exponents, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So let's solve the expression now by using these rules. In this case, the equation 2 minus 2 times 2 minus 2 uses MAS order, that is multiplication, addition, subtraction according to Bodmas rule. Hence the first preference is for multiplication, so first multiply 2 times 2. Hence the expression becomes 2 minus 4 minus 2. Now follow the subtraction part. It doesn't matter, you do 2 minus 4 first or minus 4 minus 2 or 2 minus 2. The result will always be the same, that is minus 4. Hence solution to this expression is minus 4. Now I will do minor change to the expression. I will replace second part of the expression with addition. Now again we need to perform MAS order, that is multiplication, addition and subtraction order according to the Bodmas rule. Hence the first preference is again given for multiplication. So first multiply 2 times 2. Hence expression becomes 2 minus 4 plus 2. Now follow the addition and subtraction part. After solving, solution to the expression is 0. Whenever you see these kind of an expression, the best way to solve by using Bodmas or Pedmas rule. So by following the correct order of operations, we can solve any difficult expressions in simple steps. That's all for this video. Do let me know if you have any questions. I will try to address as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and thank you for your support.